Hi everyone. When you use an electronic questionnaire, you don't have to enter your data. That step is done for you. As soon as somebody responds to your questionnaire, you can view their responses here. Microsoft Forms will automatically give you a summary of how many people have responded and their average time to respond. For all questions, it will also give you summaries of the information. For example, I've got charts that show me the categories for if people are smokers, how many cigarettes they smoke, and I've also got some other charts that show me their age when they first tried tobacco, etc. So this gives me a lot of information about my responses. However, notice that it is accumulated or put together already, or instead of showing the raw data for each person individually. Therefore, I can't see in this view if person 1 responded no, they didn't smoke, they smoked 0 cigarettes per day and tried cigarettes when they were 14 to 16 years old. To see that information all together, you need to open the results in Excel. So if you click that button, this is what's going to give you the raw information. It automatically downloads to an Excel file that you can then open. And in this file, you automatically get the ID of each respondent, so you can classify each person separately and get all of their individual answers. So by going along each row, you're given the answers for one respondent. That's what's called a case or a record. Notice that Excel also stores the information so that each column represents one variable. So that we get information that was previously given to us per variable, we can now see in two ways, where you can see how many people said that they were not smokers, but now we can also see responses for each individual person and what they responded to for every single question on the survey. And this is the information that you would need to analyze in order to answer your research question, with all of the entry done for you because you used an electronic form instead of paper and pencil.